Every winter in the cold southern waters of Australia's vast continent, unusual visitors come together in great numbers. This mass spawning of Australia's giant cuttlefish is the only known aggregation of its kind in the world, attracting hundreds of thousands of individuals to a densely packed area. For the next few months, these shallow waters become the stage for an extraordinary spectacle. The intricate rocky overhangs and outcrops of these South Australian coastal reefs serve as the perfect sanctuary for females to establish their dens and lay their eggs, ensuring the next generation is protected. The males need to impress the females, and with a short lifespan of only 1 to 2 years, it's imperative they find success. Ready for action, they abandon their usual behaviour of camouflage and rest. To entice a female's interest, a large male cuttlefish must exhibit the most mesmerising and vibrant display of colours, rapidly flashing intricate designs and intense colourful hues, all while maintaining a watchful eye on their competition. The large males size each other up, spreading their mantles and darkening their colours to assert dominance. They extend their tentacles in a show of strength, preparing for a possible confrontation. To the untrained eye, it can seem like the females are simply passive observers, waiting for the males to impress them. However, research has shown that female cuttlefish are actively evaluating each male's display, looking for specific cues that indicate his genetic fitness. Males of similar size can get so involved in their dance with each other that they end up drifting far away from the females they were initially competing for. Like aliens of the sea, with 8 arms, 2 tentacles and 3 hearts to pump blue-green blood around their brain and body, these highly intelligent creatures have the largest brain-body ratio of any invertebrate animal. Despite these colourful displays, cuttlefish are actually colourblind. Instead, their unique W-shaped eyes can detect very small changes in the polarization of light, a dimension of light which is simulated here but which is invisible to humans. Although we still have much to learn about cuttlefish perception, this extrasensory ability is thought to enhance their recognition of signals from other cuttlefish. The intense evolutionary pressures that drive the giant cuttlefish's intricate mating rituals and displays are not just for show. In a fluctuating environment of boom and bust, it's the ability to adapt to changing conditions that determines survival. Which is perhaps why they have developed cunning tactics in the pursuit of females. These small males may not have the physical prowess of their larger counterparts, but they make up for it with their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Their smaller size allows them to sneak under or over big males who might be distracted fighting other battles, even sometimes disguising themselves as a female by changing their shape and colouring. This sneaker strategy of waiting for the right moment to approach females and fertilise their eggs without drawing too much attention can be highly successful, allowing the smaller males to pass on their exceptional traits and contribute to the genetic diversity of the population. During mating, the male embraces the female head to head, spreading his arms over his partner and depositing sperm directly into her mouth, which she then stores and uses to fertilise her eggs internally. After a few months of fighting, mating and breeding, the spawning aggregation comes to an end. And so do the lives of most of these cuttlefish. Females exhausted from the demanding mating season wedge their worn-out bodies into dens packed with carefully laid eggs, as a final gesture of commitment to their offspring. As the waters warm, these eggs will hatch, and a new generation of giant cuttlefish will emerge, carrying with them the genetic traits and adaptations of their parents.